In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a Kayo account. First of all, launch open Kayo application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Kayo application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply wait for a while. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options. You'll be able to start your free trial, or you can also browse Kayo, or you can also log in to your account. What you have to do is tap on this option, new to Kayo, start your free trial. Now you'll be redirected to the browser. Simply wait for the interface to load. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create your account. Simply scroll down. What you have to do is fill in these details, tap on the field of email. Now provide your email address over here. Likewise, tap on the field of mobile number and enter the mobile number. Now after you enter the mobile number, tap on the field of password. Now create a very strong password for yourself. Now after you create the password, enter your first name. Likewise, enter the last name. Now also select the year of birth, tap on the field of year of birth and enter the year of birth over here. Now simply scroll down and tap on this option, agree and continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the code will be sent to your mobile number. What you have to do is simply enter that code over here. Tap on the field of code. Now what you have to do is enter the code that has been sent to your mobile number. After you enter the code, you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. So simply select a payment method and enter your details. After you enter your details, what you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions of Kayo. After you do that, your subscription will be completed and your account will be created. Now you'll be able to use your Kayo account. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create a Kayo account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.